This tutorial guides you through the process of purchasing products on Crazywhiz. You will learn how to search, make offers, and manage your purchases effectively. First, log into your account. Click the My Offers section in main menu to buy products, submit offer and view your current offers and available deals. Click the Buy button to view available products on Crazywhiz platform. Click the Search button to find products available in the Crazywhiz marketplace. Click the Search input area to enter keywords or product names for browsing. Check product details, description and get more understanding about the product. Check the price details to review the cost details of the product. Click the Price section to see the original and current discounted price of the product. Check the product description to understand the product's information. Check the product category to view related product information. Click the Product Detailed section to see more details about the seller. Click the Make an Offer button to start submitting your purchase proposal. Click the Your Name input area to enter your name for the offer. Enter your first name in the provided field to identify yourself to the seller. Go to the email input area to provide your contact information. Enter your email address to ensure the seller can contact you regarding your offer. Fill in your complete email address to maintain accurate communication details. Go to the phone number field to add your contact number for direct communication. Enter your phone number to facilitate seller contact and offer negotiation. Click the optional field for the seller to contact you directly if needed. Click the Your Offer Price field to specify the amount you are willing to pay. Enter the amount you want to offer for the product to initiate negotiation. Click the Write a Message area to add a personalized note to your offer. Enter a message expressing your interest in the product and your readiness to visit and view the item if the offer is accepted. Click the message text to review or edit your personalized offer note. Fill the message field with your detailed offer and intentions regarding the purchase. Click the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions related to making an offer. Fill in the acceptance confirmation to proceed with submitting your offer. Click the optional contact field to ensure the seller can reach you directly. Click the Submit Your Offer button to send your purchase proposal to the seller. Click the confirmation message indicating your offer was submitted successfully. Click the My Offers section to review your submitted offers and their statuses. Click the Offers Made tab to see all the offers you have submitted on Crazywhiz. Click the product name and check seller details, offer price submitted by you and other product information. If you click the link provided above seller name, you can view the product listing details. You have successfully learned how to search for products, make offers, and manage your purchases on Crazywhiz. Thank you for watching. Please share your comments if any, and let us know if you need any other functionality. Don't forget to subscribe.